Very good morning, student. Study, some of you have spoken to me on phone and said, Sir, I couldn't understand properly the Prism. You have already done practical in school. You have seen the Prism. It is made of glass and it is in this form. Already you have seen it. Now, Prism, what we are learning today, reflection of light through a prism. When normally you see it is a prism and outside it is a air mediums. Wherever there is no any obstruction, there is no mediums, that means it is air. So here it is a air. Now from here the basic theory, any light, incidental light, when it fall on prism, and then further since it is traveling, the ray, this is called incidental rays. Incidental rays. When it is allowed to fall on a prism, it gets into the glass. Now once it gets into the glass, it deviates from the path because the mediums is very different, the speed likely to be reduced, so it deviates from the path like this. आप देखो इसको कैसे जाता है, it deviates and then further it finds it is a glass medium, and then further it finds the air medium, so it further move on like this. So the incidental rays, when we fall it on, allowed to fall on a prism made of glass, due to medium change, this change the direction. Now I just put a point here, Q, R, and S. So this is a sign of traveling the rays. So this is called incidental rays. And then this Q2R. So let me write the PQ. PQ is the incidental rays that are allowed to fall on a prism. Now QR is a reflection that takes place because the medium change, the speed of the ray is reduced, so it travel inside. So QR is a reflection rays. Then RS, that is how it goes on, further, that we have to see. Further it moves on to the different direction. The direction gets changed. So when the direction gets changed, this is emerging from here to here, from RS. So RS you can notify as a emergent ray. Emergent rays. Now, what is more important to understand? If ray is traveling, normally the light rays travel in a straight direction. It is traveling straight, it finds another medium, so it deviates and it is again emerging in different direction. Now, had it been straight, suppose this ray goes straight here, this ray go straight like this, and this ray also, if I take it, this what's called the emergent ray, where it is reflection takes place further, and if we push it back, here. Now, let me just not to go so long, you may have a little confusion out of the prism. So we go on the base. Now, here, this angle, if the base is directly meeting here, this is called angle of deviation. I denote it as D. So D is the angle D as the angle of deviation. Angle of. Now look at this incidental rays. Now if I draw another line over this where this point is meeting, the rays are meeting on the point here like this. Now if you check it out here, the rays, of course I am just dropping a line. Now you will find another line, that is angle of incident. Now angle of incident, what will find? This angle. This angle will be known as angle of, let me take it as R. So R is equal to angle of incident. Now what is this angle? This is the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Let me denote it somewhere I. So this I and angle I will become as a angle of reflection. Now in this what we have seen, this angle, and particularly when we go on to other side, the light medium change, the rays speed also reduced, and further it move on to the next. This is a glass medium and further it is a air medium. So when it travels, this particularly we need to understand that angle of emergence. What is the angle of emergence? If I draw a line here also in this part, this, let me take it as angle M. Angle M. That will become angle of emergence. Emergence. Now, as I told, whenever a incidental light fall on prism, it enters into different medium, the glass, and then further due to the reduce of speed of the ray, it divert the path because the mediums are changed, and further after the glass it travels further into air, so that goes to what is emergent, that becomes what is emerging from here. From here it is falling a beam of light allowed to fall on the prism and further move on into glass, deviate its path and further emerging to the next side, and that you have to understand in the how the light fall and how it deviate. Now further if you can check it, here you see in this picture, normally we say after the emerging it fall into shaded colors. Actually if you can notify sometimes the white light which is allowed to fall from here, white light, this is concern of all the colors which normally we cannot see from the naked eyes, and that when it's emerging through glass, you are able to notify in different colors: indigo, violet, red, green, yellow, and all those colors you will violet and all. same in colors. So that is the practical aspect of a prism. A reflection of light through prism, where reflection takes place, how it changes the medium, how it changes the speed, and how the angles are made. That is basically to be understood. So I hope you might have understood. Yes, is Arogya. Hope you have understood, and if there is any doubt, let me know. I am always here to help you. Thank you.